Hello friends, this is Harsh Wadhwani, founder of Vergo. Today we are going to install our Vergo Inspire High Back Mesh Office Chair. We are unboxing the chair. So as per the assembly guide, we will first put this cover on top of the base like this. Then the gas lift. Then the gas lift cover on top of the gas lift. So the base is done. The first step is done. Now the step 2, we will install the seat with the arms. So we have taken the small stool and on top of it we will keep it to ensure easy assembly. So first we have given you 2 Allen keys. You can just check which Allen key is fitting into these screws. The bigger one is not fitting, so the smaller one will help here. So with the help of the Allen key, I'll quickly remove the screws which are pre-fitted with the seat. So in both the armrests there are R and L sign marks. You can quickly see it here. So the right side will always align with this lever. So this lever is always on the right side, which helps you to adjust the height or rock and recline the chair. So I'll quickly align it like this. Take the screws and fit the screws halfway. Don't tighten all the screws completely. Just fix them with your hands halfway to make sure that the alignment is smooth. So just align it like this. Then take the Allen key and then tighten them. Now I'm gonna take another one, the left side armrest. The same process for this one. Align it. Take the screws, put them halfway. In the step 2 itself, we will now assemble the back with the seat. So you need to take the help of this box which we have sent you along with the chair. Put it like this, keep it like this. Now you will need the bigger Allen key, the second Allen key. Take the back. First we need to remove these pre-fitted screws. We need to align it like this, put some pressure and tilt it a bit like this, and then apply some pressure, then it will go inside like this. As you can see, this is aligned. Please make sure the alignment of these screws are same and not here and there, otherwise the overall chair alignment, the back alignment will not be proper and you might feel that there is some manufacturing defect. So please ensure that the alignment of these screws are same, whether it can be a little bit in the middle or as close as at the end of this area. The step 2 is done. The seat, back, the upper body of the chair is ready. Now comes the final step, step 3. Attach the lower base and the upper base, the lower body and the upper body. So what we suggest is usually you keep the lower base first like this and then fix it . Someone can help you here, but I am experienced, so I am able to do it. And just put it on the floor. Adjust the chair height once or twice to lock the gas lift into the mechanism. The chair is now ready for use.